Hi, this is the Button Guy, and today we'll learn how to unjam a button machine. To unjam a button machine, you will need either a small pick or a large flat-headed screwdriver. When making buttons, it's easy to get into a rhythm, and it's just as easy to get out of rhythm too. Suppose you have to answer the phone, or get a fresh cup of coffee. You might come back and find that you've jammed your button machine. The first thing to do is to feel inside the upper die. If it feels smooth, then there's a shell stuck in it. For this type of jam, you will need to use a small pick. Turn the button maker over so that you can see the underside of the upper die. Take the pick and work its point between the edge of the shell and the die. This may take a few tries, so be patient. Once you have the pry worked in, you can pop out the shell. You may even discover more than one shell stuck in the die. Once you have cleared the upper die, you can return to button making. Another kind of jam. Sometimes a machine will jam so that the upper die is stuck in one of the lower dies. This is more likely to happen in older or more well-used machines, ones where the lubricant may have worn off. To learn more about maintaining a button machine, watch the video How to Maintain a Button Machine. To unjam a machine in this condition, start by gently rocking the arm back and forth across the vertical, just enough to move the dies a little. If you are lucky, the repeated movement will work the dies apart. If this method does not work, then you will have to pry the two dies apart with a large flat-headed screwdriver. Position the head of the screwdriver in the gap between the lower die and the upper block. Once you have it in position, twist the screwdriver. This will force the dies apart. You should make sure nothing is stuck in the die. Once you are sure the machine is clear, you can continue making buttons. And that's how you unjam a button machine.